Welcome to this fast and easy tutorial. 2 crystal or stone wire of 28 and 20 gauge is needed. First of all, pick up your 28 gauge wire and of course your crystal and a round nose pliers. Insert your crystal or bead into the wire and make a very little loop at the end. And make a 90-degree bend to that little loop so that it would be tightly kept onto the surface of the stone or crystal, and push it and examine there wouldn't be any sharp edges. Then at the other side, make another 90-degree bend, place your round nose pliers and make another loop. Just like you make a tie like this, and then wrap the wire all around, just all around the wire, and gradually move onto the surface of the crystal. Repeat that for about half of a centimeters. Then, at the desired distance, make a bend at the end, and on that 28 gauge wire, I'm using my round nose pliers. You could use chain nose pliers too, and then keep that structure with round nose pliers and put it onto the upper loop, and then again wrap the wire at the upper side. Cut the wire out and squeeze it onto the work. For this first crystal, we need to add a hook with 28 gauge wire and of course round nose pliers. Make a very little loop just like a pea shape and wrap it just like this, and under a loop make a bend and cut it out in about half of a centimeters, and that would be the first hook. Just open it up just like you open a jump ring, insert the crystal or bead in, and then close it just like you close a jump ring. And your first crystal with the hook is ready. Make it twice and your very beautiful wire earring is ready. You could use any other kind of crystal or stones as you like. Hope you had enjoyed.